Welcome, beloved soul. You've found your way to the gates of something ancient and yet new. A restoration of sound, a remembrance of praise, a codex encoded in the stars, the tribes, and the altar of the heart. This is the Kingdom Age Psalm series, and this is the Psalm Codex. The Psalms are not just poetry, they are spiritual technologies sung by shepherds and kings, encoded with frequencies that realign the body, soul, and heavens. When Babel broke the world's language, praise was fractured, but the Codex restores it. Each psalm in this codex holds a tribe of Israel, a constellation in the Mazzaroth, a sacred stone, an angelic gate, and a frequency to unlock heaven's resonance. This is not a new doctrine. It is the King's original blueprint of praise, rediscovered for now. Sound governs healing. It aligns the atmosphere. It draws angels. The enemy has long hijacked frequency through distorted music, digital weaponry, and soul trade. But heaven is reclaiming the sound, and you, beloved, are invited to sound the light. Each day, you will strike the Psalm's frequency, read it aloud, pray its activation, become a gate of resonance. You are no longer waiting on kings or presidents. The King is calling you. You are his psalmist, his embassy, his light. Welcome to the Kingdom Age, where praise dethrones principalities, where each psalm unlocks divine order. This is your invitation. Watch and read along. Let your home become a gate of light. Join the embassy of light if you're led. You are not just listening. You are resonating. You are restoring. You are remembering. Blessed are the ears that hear and the hearts that remember. May your soul be aligned. May the heavens open above your home. May the King walk among us once again, enthroned upon our praise. In Jesus' name, amen.